A new player has entered the global artificial intelligence arena. Moonshot AI, a Chinese startup making waves with its innovation. Founded by veterans of China's tech scene, Moonshot AI isn't just copying, it's pushing the boundaries of large language models. Their latest creation, Kimi K2, has captured global attention. Backed by major investors like Alibaba, Moonshot AI has quickly become a serious contender. Their mission: create AI that can process vast amounts of information seamlessly. Kimi K2 is a leap forward, signaling that China's AI ecosystem is now competing globally. This isn't just another product launch, it's a statement of intent. Moonshot AI is focusing on long context understanding, allowing Kimi K2 to read and remember much larger documents than most models. Imagine an AI that can analyze an entire book or a year's worth of financial data in one go. That's the promise of Kimi K2, opening new possibilities for businesses and researchers. The innovation in AI is no longer confined to Silicon Valley, it's now a global phenomenon. Kimi K2 arrives at a time when the world is captivated by generative AI's potential. Companies want AI that's powerful, affordable, and accessible. Moonshot AI is answering that call, challenging the status quo with unique features and competitive pricing. The emergence of Kimi K2 signals a more diverse, competitive AI landscape. This could ultimately benefit everyone. OpenAI's GPT-4o is known for its versatility, but Kimi K2 is built for a different strength: its massive 2 million token context window. This means Kimi K2 can process and analyze documents with millions of words, far surpassing most mainstream models. For professionals, this is a game changer. Analysts can summarize entire years of data, and lawyers can sift through hundreds of pages instantly. While GPT-4o is a creative all-rounder, Kimi K2 is a specialist for deep, comprehensive analysis. What really sets Kimi K2 apart is its price. Moonshot AI has priced it aggressively, up to 99% cheaper than leading competitors for similar tasks. This makes powerful AI accessible to startups, developers, and even hobbyists who were previously priced out. The choice is clear. For creative versatility, GPT-4o shines. For digesting massive text files, Kimi K2 is the new champion. Its unique long context capability and low price could force bigger players to rethink their strategies. The AI market is no longer about who has the flashiest features, it's about who can deliver real value at scale. Kimi K2's arrival is shaking up the status quo. The competition is heating up and users stand to gain the most. The AI wars just got a lot more interesting. Kimi K2's open source approach is a game changer in the AI world. Open source means anyone can view, modify, and use the model's code, fostering collaboration and transparency. Developers can fine-tune Kimi K2 for specific industries, healthcare, customer service, and more, without starting from scratch. This accelerates innovation and democratizes access, empowering smaller companies and individuals. Open source models also offer greater control and security, letting businesses run AI on their own infrastructure and keep sensitive data private. This is crucial for industries like finance and healthcare. Open source prevents monopolies, ensuring no single company dictates prices or rules. Alternatives like Kimi K2 create healthy competition and push all providers to improve. The open source movement keeps the AI ecosystem dynamic and diverse. Moonshot AI's decision to go open source is a powerful endorsement of this collaborative future. It's a step toward a more transparent, innovative, and accessible AI landscape. The future of AI will be built together. Experts believe cheap, open-source models like Kimi K2 could transform the AI market. For years, top-tier AI was only accessible to the wealthiest tech firms. Now, affordable models from China could make basic AI as common as cloud storage. This shift will spark a wave of innovation. Developers can experiment freely, building niche applications for education, science, and more. Lower costs mean more adoption in developing countries, leveling the playing field for businesses worldwide. The result? A more inclusive global tech economy with innovation no longer limited by geography or wealth. But with a flood of cheap models, quality and reliability become critical. Businesses must balance cost with performance and security. The market may split between trusted proprietary models and a sea of open-source alternatives. Navigating this new landscape will be the next big challenge. The AI revolution is just beginning. Despite its promise, Kimi K2 faces major hurdles outside China. International regulations like the EU's AI Act require strict compliance on data privacy and safety. Trust is a big issue. Western countries remain wary of Chinese tech, fearing data security risks and state influence. Even as an open-source model, Kimi K2 must overcome deep-seated skepticism. Technically, Kimi K2's training data is largely Chinese, which may affect its cultural understanding and performance in global markets. To succeed, Moonshot AI must retrain its models on diverse datasets and prove its commitment to privacy. Building a global developer community is also crucial. Success depends on attracting international talent, offering great documentation, and fostering collaboration across borders. The road to global adoption is steep, but not impossible. Moonshot AI's next steps will determine if it can truly go global. Kimi K2's rise is part of the larger US-China tech rivalry. The US has long led in AI, but China is catching up fast, making AI a national priority. US export controls have forced Chinese firms to innovate with limited resources. Moonshot AI's aggressive pricing is a strategic move to capture global market share. This rivalry isn't just about technology, it's about influence and setting global standards. By releasing a strong open-source model, China offers an alternative to US-dominated AI. Many countries may welcome this new path, wary of over-reliance on American tech. The competition could lead to a split in global tech ecosystems, but it also drives innovation. Both sides are investing more, working faster, and producing better, cheaper models. For users, this means more choices and lower prices. The race is accelerating progress for everyone. The future of AI will be shaped by this intense competition. The world is watching and benefiting. The arrival of Kimi K2 marks a turning point in AI. China's AI industry is now producing models that rival the best in the world. Kimi K2's massive context window and low price challenge established leaders. Its open-source nature promotes transparency and empowers developers everywhere. Affordable, powerful models like Kimi K2 will democratize AI and spark new innovation. But global success requires navigating regulations, building trust and adapting to diverse cultures. Kimi K2 is more than software. It's a symbol of shifting tech power and the rise of open alternatives. The AI landscape is becoming richer, more complex, and more global. The future won't be dominated by a single company or country, but by a vibrant, competitive ecosystem. If managed wisely, this competition promises faster innovation and more accessible technology for all.